Crydermans Barbecue. Here, you can get a little better look at the side. To go and pick up, hopefully something, because it's here until sold out. I'm gonna get something. This is near me, and there's some good barbecue. So I'm gonna figure out what I want. Pick up something quick while doing it. You know, I came here last time, but I didn't get to share. Sorry. So now I'm gonna do this place proper with an actual review because I got this stuff to bring home last time. Like we got stockings, they decorated. Oh, there's a thing that I really liked last time. Right down there. So right there, cornbread cookie. Amazing. But so I'm gonna grab something quick and some cookies, but I'm gonna order without you guys knowing. Sorry, you don't get to see me order. You'll get to see what I eat though. Y'all, this is an incognito review, and this is kind of really dining beyond the magic. I'm in Cocoa Village, and I'm at Crydermans Barbecue, and I got their Texas two-step brisket, coleslaw, smoked sausage. I got a macaroni and cheese casserole, some of their spare ribs, a Hawaiian iced tea, a sweet cornbread cookie, and no food cam. Like I said, this was incognito, and I love this place. I had to share it with you all. So I'm gonna start with the mac and cheese, which has brisket and bacon, and it's a casserole, and it's seasoned and amazing. And freaking awesome. Look at this. Right? Look at how good that looks. But there's so much good here, I have to bite into the sandwich. Right? Okay. Alright, without this thing falling apart, brisket, sausage, here we go. We get some pickled onions on here. Every flavor you need. The sausage has a nice grit to it. Oh, and Hawaiian iced tea. Delicious. House-made pickles and some onions. Onions are a random throw-in, but this is amazing. This is a little small shop. I've filmed some of the inside. Something a little more honestly in my wheelhouse. Coming from being Carolina for long, having some barbecue. It's freaking amazing. So, spare ribs and the meats they do by the pounds, except for the baby backs. We got a nice smoke ring, my old glaze there. Perfectly rendered fat, spitting everywhere. Delicious rib. Of course, I have holiday music playing, and I will say, peppery sweet barbecue sauce. Not add any. This is what it was cooked in, so fully enjoy it. as it's almost gone. Right? Question, you got the cartilage? I do. Just curious if you guys do too. It's there. I don't know if you should. No one's ever told me no. That being said, this is not the cheapest place in the world either. It was like 40 bucks for a sandwich, 2 ribs, and some mac and cheese. Just understand. I'm sorry. When good food's here, it's kind of hard for me to talk. I'm going to take a bite of my cookie, just so I can make this go quicker than you thought. Right? So this is a cornbread cookie. I ain't gonna share the secret, but it is made in-house, right? And this, oh, motorcycles. Danger of eating outside. You can't hear me now. Danger of eating outside, motorcycles. But this is a sweet cornbread cookie. Ingenious design and flavorful. So if you're in the Cocoa Village area or heading over to Cocoa Beach, stop by here. This is Tom Incognito, but don't be afraid to be the fool because it's more fun that way. Later.